Find a quiet space where you can settle into stillness. Gently close your eyes, soften your breath, and allow yourself to be fully present. Forgiveness is a gift of freedom for you and for others. It is not about condoning past actions, but about releasing the emotional weight that keeps you stuck. In this meditation, you will open your heart to self-forgiveness and the forgiveness of others, inviting peace, healing, and emotional freedom. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in, filling your body with warmth and light. Each exhale gently releases tension and resistance within your body. Allow your inhale now to invite compassion and understanding, and the exhale to let go of pain and resentment. Let your breath create a space in your heart, softening any heaviness. Inhale compassion and understanding, and exhale pain and resentment. Now bring awareness to yourself. Is there something you've been holding on to? Regret, guilt, self-blame? Without judgment, acknowledge it. Imagine placing your hands over your heart and hold it with kindness rather than shame. Silently affirm, I am human. I am learning. I release myself from the weight of the past. I choose to forgive myself and move forward with love. Now, I'd like you to imagine a soft, beautiful, brilliant light flowing over you and surrounding you, offering warmth, understanding, and deep acceptance. Let this light dissolve any lingering guilt and allow it to fill all of those empty spaces with self-compassion and unconditional love. Now shift your awareness to someone you struggle to forgive. It could be a person, a situation, or even, once again, yourself. Imagine them standing in front of you, surrounded by a neutral, gentle light. Acknowledge the hurt, but instead of holding on to it, imagine it being transformed with that beautiful golden light as it turns into unconditional love. Silently affirm, I release this pain. I choose inner peace. I do not carry the burden of resentment any longer. Forgiveness frees my heart and spirit. You do not need to excuse actions. This moment is about freeing yourself from the hold this situation may have on you. Now I invite you to place your hand gently over your heart. Feel its warmth, its resilience. And with the next inhale, breathe in peace and breathe out release. With the silent affirmations, I am free, I am whole, I am at peace. I carry love and compassion forward in my heart. And when you are ready, take one last deep, nourishing breath. Slowly open your eyes, and carrying the sense of forgiveness with you, with the loving energy it brings throughout the rest of your day.